Namaste everyone. Welcome to Yoga with Amit. I'm Amit Namdev. Today we're going to do yoga to feel strong and confident. So let's get started. First of all, come into the comfortable position, in a seated position where your spine is nice, upright and straight. Preparing in our mind to do the yoga, to get back our confidence and our strength, which we can apply at our work, in relationship, friendship, or any other area of life where we require confidence, strength, and courage. So let's build them with today's yoga practice. To start, roll your shoulders up, back and down, coming into the nice upright straight position. See how does it make you feel at this moment. One more time, rolling your shoulders up, back and down. And see how do you feel. And let's hunch one more time, sit into this position and see what happens. One more time, straight your back, roll your shoulders up, back and down, a nice smile on your face, and see how do you feel. So you see this position, the posture of our body also changes a lot. So if you sit down like this and you start to think of negative, dull energy or discouragement, then it's easier to think. But as soon as you put your body straight, roll your shoulders up, back and down, feel that you are strong and powerful, and then think of your dull energy or discouragement. Cannot think, because your body posture tells you how to think, how to feel. So let's keep this body posture as we go ahead and practice the yoga. The next thing we're going to do is break out through all the thinking in the head that I can't do this, I can't do that. We're not going to push anything, but let's go and get some body strength as well as mental strength. Stretching your legs back, interlocking your fingers, and lifting your knee off the ground, staying here. Keeping the breathing normal. Good. Bringing your knee down, palm on the ground, plank. Keep the breathing normal. Great. Now bring your left hand into the center of the body. Roll yourself, turn yourself to the right, balance, bringing your right hand towards the ceiling. Good. Bring the hand back down, right hand in the center, rolling your body towards the left, balance, left hand up. Good. Back to the plank. Kneel your knee down, interlock your fingers, raise your knee up. Good. Bring your knee down, palms on the ground. Inhale, Tuck your toes and lift your knees up. Exhale down. One more time. Inhale, hold the breath. Knee up. Exhale down. This time we are going to lift and we will hold for 10 seconds so you can keep your breathing normal. Bring the toes on the ground, lift the knee up and keep breathing. Hold for 10 seconds. Good. Bring your knee down, toes down. Bring your left hand onto the center once again. Join the toes together. Inhale, bring your right hand towards the ceiling. Good. Bring the hand down. Chain the sides. Bring the hand down. Chain the sides. Bring the hand down. Last time, changing the side. And this time, bring your left hand all the way in instead of on the ground. You're going under the right hand, bringing your head on the ground. Back to the center, bringing the left hand on the ground, right hand towards the ceiling, and inhale. Exhale, bringing your right hand all the way under, down. Good. Come back. Back to the tabletop, cat pose. Shake your hips, shake your head. Check your neck, it's okay. Good. Join the feet together, open your knees and dropping your hips down, bringing your head all the way down onto the ground. Good. Come back, sit up. And stretch your legs out. Bending your right knee, holding with your left hand and lifting your chest all the way up. Keep the chest up, bringing the right hand on the back and twisting with each exhalation as much as you can. Letting the confidence, strength and courage come to you so that you can apply that in your daily life and make your life strong. Back to the center, changing the leg and the side. Inhaling, exhale, twist, twist, twist as much you can. Good. Back to the center. Stretch your leg out, shake them a little bit. Then bend your right knee. Go slightly to the side. Open your left leg slightly. Inhale, bringing your right hand and trying to reach and catch your left toe. Don't have to, just try so that you can open nice to this side and be open. As your body opens up, allow your mind to be open up as well, because Open mind is also one of the powerful tools to have, which gives you more strength, courage. Good. Come down, come back. Change your leg. Inhale, exhale. Good. Come back and sit in comfortable position for a moment. Close your eyes. Let go and see how doing this series of asanas helping you bringing courage, strength, and confidence. Now bring your hands into Chin Mudra. Keep your body nice, upright and tall, your spine stretched and tall. Breathing in deeply into your abdomen. Breathing out. Breathing in. Breathing out. Now breathing deeply into your abdomen and beginning Kapalbhati pumping for about 30 times. Exhale, inhale, and exhale. Good. Now bringing hands by the side, palm open. Inhale, bring your hands up, bringing your arms up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. We will do that about 20 times. Inhale. Exhale. Now begin. Inhale. Bring your hand back onto the knee. Keep your eyes closed and relax for a moment. Remember the practice we are doing. This practice is not to be done by people with a heart problem or hypertension. So skip all of these. You can go ahead and follow another asana series for that. And this is for beginners can do, or any other people can easily practice. Thank you very much for joining me for this series of practice. I hope these asana helped you, bringing you courage, confidence and strength so that you can apply them into your daily life. Keep me updated. Thank you very much for joining me at Yoga with Amit, and I hope to see you in my upcoming videos. Namaste.